Dragon Boat Festival, China's racing tradition. Held on the 5th day of the 5th lunar month, the Dragon Boat Festival celebrates the legendary poet Qu Yuan. Teams paddle long, dragon-shaped boats in fierce races, each stroke symbolizing unity and remembrance. Families enjoy zongzi, sticky rice dumplings wrapped in bamboo leaves, believed to feed Qu Yuan's spirit in no ancient lore. Bright banners, beating drums, and cheering crowds create an electric atmosphere. This festival blends folklore, athleticism, and communal ties into a vibrant tapestry of Chinese heritage. Subscribe to Culture Wow for more stories of interesting culture.